Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a Feedwind widget into your Weebly website. This is a fantastic way to display RSS feeds, social media content, or news updates directly on your site, keeping your visitors informed and engaged with fresh content. First, head over to Weebly.com and log in to your Weebly account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage. Take a look at the left menu where you'll see the option labeled Website. Click on it, and then underneath that, click Edit Site. This will bring up a list of your websites. Choose the one you want to edit, and on the right side of the screen, you'll see an Edit button. Go ahead and click that. Now you're on the editor page of your website. This is where all the magic happens, but before we proceed with adding the widget, we need to grab the embedded code from Feedwind first. This step is crucial because without the code, we won't have anything to insert into your Weebly site. So open a new tab and go to Feedwind. Once you're there, select the widget you want to add to your website. After you've configured your widget to your liking, look at the upper right corner and click Save and Get Code. A code snippet will appear, and you'll want to copy this entire code. This is what will allow your Feedwind content to display properly on your Weebly site. Now let's go back to the editor page on Weebly. At the top menu, make sure you're on the Build tab. This is where you'll find all the elements you can add to your website. Focus on the left side menu and look for the Embed element. If you can't find it right away, don't worry, just simply click Show All Elements and it should appear. The Embed element is essential because it allows you to insert custom code into your Weebly site. Once you've found the embed element, simply drag it into your website wherever you want your Feedwind widget to appear. Click on the element you just placed and then click Edit Custom HTML. This will open up a text box where you can paste your code. Now paste the embedded code you copied from Feedwind into this text box. And that's it, you've successfully added a Feedwind widget to your Weebly website. Your RSS feed or content will now display exactly where you place the embed element, keeping your site dynamic and up to date with the latest information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.